Okay,
There's
go.
cameras all around.
It doesn't matter. Dude, just go. Okay, dude. Lock the doors.
Oh my god, I'm moving.
Dude.
Oh my god, this is gonna hurt so bad.
Oh my god, dude. It's coming. It's coming. Dude, when it comes down and it's up.
It's gonna hurt so bad. Oh my Here it comes!
Travis!
Oh my god! 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 Holy shit! He's gonna die! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Tell him to get in the car and let's go, dude. Seriously.
Wait, we're done.
Dude, seriously. Hey, we've got enough good footage, dude.
We can't leave yet. The green light hasn't
Dude,
come on.
no, seriously. Travis, this is over the line.
We can't. Oh god, where's this towel and shit?
Oh my god.
Dude, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Come on, dude. No, tell me to get it. Go on, Travis.
Hurry! Hurry!
Get in! Go. Gas it, dude. Just go. Seriously. Travis, go, dude.
What happened?
No, dude, because there's gotta...
Don't let me out.
It won't?
No, I'm on the thing.
Why, did someone see us?
Dude, oh my god. Dude, the fucking thing. It's bottom over. Oh my god.